Friends, take a breath with me and let your body begin to remember how to let go. The day has been full of motion, thought, responsibility, and now it is time to let everything begin to slow. Find a comfortable position that encourages sleep, a soft, supportive, and familiar place. Dim the light. Know that you are safe in this space, and close your eyes. Let your breath come to you like a tide, a gentle rise with each inhale, and a quiet retreat with each exhale. Deep in your body, your rhythm steadies. As the breath moves through you, there is a loosening. First in the feet, then in the legs. The warmth of release traveling upward, slow and kind. Feel your hips soften and your belly move freely with each breath. The chest widens, easy and open, and the shoulders ease downward. Let your hands rest wherever they have fallen. Even your face forgets its holding. The jaw releases. The eyes drift weightless behind closed lids, and your forehead smooths. Everything in you begins to settle as if the earth itself is exhaling through your body. If thoughts still move like small winds across your mind, that's okay. They are only breezes, and they pass and leave the sky clear again. Somewhere in the quiet, the image of a forest begins to form in your mind. It is midday, bright and golden, light draping over everything with warmth and gentleness. The trees rise tall and kind around you, and leaves shimmer in a soft rhythm, catching the light that dances across the path ahead. Air smells of pine, moss, and sun-warmed earth. You hear the faint hum of bees mingling with birdsong. Life here is peaceful, patient, unhurried. As you move through this forest, the ground beneath you feels springy and cool beneath your feet. Each step sinks softly into moss. A slow breeze threads through the trees, and sunlight falls in golden patches that flicker gently across your skin. The warmth of it is like a warm blanket on your shoulders, reassuring, steady, safe. Deeper in the woods, shafts of light fall through branches, turning dust motes into tiny floating stars. And somewhere far off, water murmurs over stone. Time stretches wide and slow. The sun leans toward the west, light softening around you. Shadows lengthen, colors deepen, emerald to sage, gold to amber. Birds grow quieter now, their songs spaced by longer pauses of hush. A calmness spreads through the air like the stillness before a gentle rain. The stream you heard earlier comes into view, threading through ferns and smooth stones, its surface glinting with the last bright light of day. On the banks, pale flowers lean toward the water, petals trembling in the breeze. The sound of current is soothing, a silver ribbon of motion in a world grown still. As the water moves, small ripples carry bits of sunlight downstream. Each one drifts away quietly, like a thought releasing itself back to peace. Your mind feels lighter watching it. Every current a reminder that letting go can be effortless. You drop the weight, the thought, and the stress from your day into the water one by one, watching them float away. Beyond the stream, the path opens into a wide clearing. From here, the forest opens to the sky. Grass glows faintly with the day's last warmth, and air carries traces of sweetness, pine, earth, and a whisper of something floral. The sun slips lower, spilling honey golden light across the horizon. Its warmth lingers on your skin, gentle and soothing. The sky melts into peach and rose, then deepens into twilight blue. The first stars appear, shy and distant. Crickets begin their slow rhythm. Every sound seems to be slowing, as though the forest itself prepares for rest. Trees sway in long, slow breaths. The stream softens to a whisper and air cools, gently wrapping you. Peace thickens, filling every space. Night gathers gradually, not darkness, but deepening. The light turns silver and blue, and the moon rises above the treetops, casting its glow across leaves and stone. The ground beneath is soft and steady, air faintly cool. The scent of earth grows richer, grounding, real. Above, the canopy breathes slowly, stars woven between branches like quiet sparks of memory. Your body mirrors the slowing, breath gentler now, the space between breaths stretching into peace. In the night forest, everything has found its rhythm. Trees hum quietly, roots deep and knowing. Water continues its timeless journey. Silence is kind. Thoughts that once fluttered anxiously now drift like distant smoke, dissolving into the sky. Heartbeats are slow and sure. Muscles have forgotten how to hold tension, and the mind has forgotten how to rush. Only this remains, the sound of breathing and the forest breathing with you. In the distance, an owl calls once, slow, steady, and calm. The sound ripples through the night, then fades. A sense of belonging, a feeling that in this moment, life was always waiting for you. The forest holds everything in rhythm now, steady, grounded, free. If the body grows heavier, if the edges of awareness softness, that is the forest working its quiet magic, returning you to your natural state. rest. Somewhere deep within this stillness, the quiet begins to speak, not in words to hear, but as a hum from the very earth itself. You are safe here. You are surrounded by peace. You are to rest. You have carried enough. You can let it go now. You are part of this living, breathing world. You belong here. You are loved exactly as you are. As moonlight pulls around you, spreading across your skin like a silken blanket, each sound of the forest softens, a lullaby fading into the distance. Somewhere nearby, water continues to flow, a sound promising that everything moves on, everything finds its way. Here in this quiet, sleep begins to rise like mist through the trees, gentle, certain, kind. Let it come over you. Let it cover you. The forest will keep breathing for you. The earth will hold you steady. The stars will guard overhead. You are home. You are loved. You are free to rest.